This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you one of Google Docs' most underrated tools, how to instantly change text between uppercase, lowercase, and title case without retyping a single word. So here I have 3 sentences whose casing I want to change. The first one is all caps. Let's suppose I want this to be all lowercase. What you do is you highlight the text, then you go to Format, then you click on Text, then you click on Capitalization, and then you select Lowercase. That will make all of the text lowercase, and then if you want to capitalize the first sentence of that paragraph, hover over the text that might be highlighted by the grammar tool, select the, and now that is a proper sentence. Let's suppose that I want the second line of text to be all capitalized. Highlight all of the text and repeat the previous process by clicking Format, Text, Capitalization, but in this case, select uppercase. Now all of the words are capitalized. The third sentence is a sentence that I want to make title case. Maybe it's the title of a blog post or a short story or a book or something. So highlight the text, click on Format, click on Text, click on Capitalization, then click Title Case. And now the first letter of every word is now capitalized. So this video shows you how to use Google Docs to format the casing of letters in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.